This is Eric Mwatha with Mwatha.com. This is part 2, Apple, a case study. What I wanted to look at here is now it's been a couple of days since part 1 of the video was made. I want to show you what has happened over the last couple of days. Again, this video is not meant for us to trade, but as an education more than anything. So over the last couple of days, we see the stock come and hit this price channel highs on the daily. It's also evident now, again, as we had predicted, that this area on the RSI on the daily, which was the break point, this area around the 50, again smacked the stock down on cue. It is also important to note that I know a lot of people right now would really like to make money on this trade for whatever reason. Problem now that I see long term is we have a sharply declining 50-day moving average, a sharply declining 200-day moving average. So whatever happens here, it's going to take a long time, if at all this stock is to become a champion again. Now, the one thing we really have to take a break here and think about is this one of those stocks that had a great run over many years and is now dead? Because sometimes, and it's very much the case, that great stocks do stop moving higher and they become dead money for years, if not decades, if not forever. So that's the main question that I think investors should be asking about this 10-year run in this stock. Now, if we take a look at what happened on an hour-to-hour basis, again, from a study perspective, you'll see that on an hourly basis, like we had just predicted in the prior video, that the stock has been stalling around these levels here on the hourly chart. And that level again has become a roof in the stock as the stock hit price channel highs that are shown by the hourly chart. So there's a lot to learn here, that even the RSI resistance levels can be an area where investors can watch to see what happens. Obviously, from a short-term perspective, and only for a short-term perspective as of now, a breakout above that line could be a buy point, and a movement above this highs where the stock has been stalling could also be seen as an entry point for a short-term trade. Again, remember, just because a stock has been one of the greatest stocks over the last 10 years doesn't mean that it's going to become the next great thing. Maybe it's done. Something to consider. The charts are suggesting that even a great stock can run out of steam, out of fuel. Eric Mwatha with Mwatha.com. Good luck, peace, and blessings.